Hi guys, and welcome to yoga class number 1. I am so thrilled that you chose to be here. Now, to get started, we're going to do a flow on a chair because I told you we're going to begin at the very beginning. So that's where we're going. So grab yourself a chair. You want your chair to be at a height where it's a similar level to where your knee would be if you're sitting down. Does that make sense? And it's better to be a little bit higher than it is to be lower. So find yourself a sturdy chair. Wear clothes that you just feel glorious in. We're not going to be doing anything crazy. We actually may never do anything terribly crazy. But we're going to just focus on breath and nourishing our body with what it needs. So before we get started, just remember, when you die, you're not going to get to take your favorite pair of shoes with you, or your house, or your earrings, or your boat, or whatever it is that you have gathered in this life. That stuff stays here. But one thing that you do get to take with you is your knowledge and your perception of yourself. So as we move and learn something new, know that this experience is empowering you with new ideas, new knowledge, and a new perspective of who you are. And you get to keep that. So I encourage you to just look at this experience with a smile, knowing that change will occur. And change on a spirit level will occur, and that's the most important type of change. So let's get started. We are going to sit on our chair and find our sit bones. So our sit bones are the bony protrusions in between our beautiful bottom cheek. So if I wiggle side to side, I go bonk, bonk, bonk. There are my sit bones. So you do the same, find your sit bones. And then when I say root, I mean that is where we are connecting to the chair. So let me show you from the side. This is me not rooted in my sit bone. I'm actually rooted more in my coccyx back here. And there's nothing very stable about this. But once I shift side to side and then lengthen my spine, suddenly I'm rooted in my sit bones. My sit bones are the contact with the chair. So that's what we're going for. So when I say root your sit bones, just find that connection to the chair and then lengthen your spine and extend it. So we're going to begin our flow today with our hands in prayer. This is a wonderful move just to help center us and remind us of our divine heritage and our divine potential. We're going to begin our practice with 3 cleansing breaths. We'll inhale through our nose and then a big exhale out of our mouth. I'll be teaching everything in groups of 3s during this class. So know that we do one move, we're going to do it 3 times, okay? You're going to let your eyes drift shut. Inhale through your nose. Exhale. 2 more. Exhale. Again. Exhale. Take your palms and lay them down facing outward on your knees. Take a moment and just assess where you are today. I don't know if this is morning, afternoon, or evening for you. I don't know what your day or night has been like, but you do. So take a moment and think of one thing that you need, that your spirit needs right now. Perhaps it's peace, perhaps it's motivation, perhaps it's love, or hope, or kindness, or grace, or patience. That's one that I need a lot of. But we're going to think on our inhale, I am. On the exhale, think of what you need and bring it to your heart. So do that 3 times. Arms come down, I am. Exhale, bring it in. Again, I am. Exhale. Bring it in. Last time, I am. Bring it in. 3 breaths. Just rest your hands on your heart. Allow whatever it is to seep into you. 2 more. Imagine that filling your body. If it's patience, imagine what you look like being patient. All right, our hands are going to face forward and out to the front. My palms are facing each other. We inhale, arms up. And then we turn our palms down and press. Yeah, you can totally do wild breathing. We turn our hands, they press down. 1 more. Inhale. Down. Now we're going to reverse it. So bring your palms up and then press down. 2 more. Arms to the side. Press down. 1 more. Inhale, arms up. Press down. So awesome. Alrighty, we're going to take our hands, interlock our fingertips like this, and place it at the base of our neck. And we're going to inhale, lift up. Exhale, bend and curve. So let me show you from the side. Let's do it 3 times. Root those sit bones. Inhale, lift. Exhale, curve. Elbows come down. Root your sit bones, lengthen, lift the heart. And curve. Root the sit bones, lift the heart. Exhale. Nice. Strip your hands to your knees. Now, we're shifting, we're still on our sit bones, but we're shifting our spine on this diagonal. Hands are pressing in, heart lifts, and then we're going to press into our knees and hollow. 2 more, we press, lengthen. Exhale, hollow. 1 more, press, lengthen. Exhale, hollow. Nice, gently roll it up. Awesome job, ladies. Alrighty, we're gonna take left hand, although if you're mirroring me, it's probably your right hand, over to the opposite knee. And then we're gonna open, make this hand, but open to the side. So if I'm facing this way, this is what I look like. Exhale, forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Last one. This time, hold it for 3 breaths. If you want to extend the arm, you can, or you can take it down. You want to allow that shoulder to relax. If our shoulder's up here, just take the arm down. Last breath. And gently bring it back. Let's switch sides. I'll do it this side so you can see my body. This hand's going to go to my opposite leg, and we're lifting up. We inhale. Exhale, forward. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more. And exhale. Bring it back. 3 breaths here. If you want to extend, you can. That might feel intense. If you want to take it down, just let it be. Gently bring the spine so we're facing forward. Awesome. Your body is so spectacular. Alrighty, we're going to take this leg and we're just going to bring it into our chest. Again, root those sit bones. I don't want to just be on this side. Both sit bones are equally rooted, and then I'm pressing in to this supporting foot. I let my heart rise. Now if you can't get your leg that high, just hold your thigh just slightly off the floor. Totally cool. Lower. We're going to send it on the other side. So root this side, lift up, and root those sit bones, pressing into my supporting leg, extending my spine. Oh, your body's so amazing. And lower. Nice. Okay, this time we're going to do the same, or you can make it a little bit harder. So we're going to take this foot and lay it right here. If this is available, do it. If not, stay right here, my darling. But if this is available, we're going to be right here. And then put your hand on your toe and shift slightly forward. So from an angle, I look like this. I'm not right here, slightly tilted, okay? 3 breaths at a slight tilt. Flex this foot, inhale. One more breath. So awesome! Alrighty, now we're gonna send it over into this nice cross leg. This hand is gonna come all the way down onto the lower knee. Take this hand over to the back of your chair and look to the side. Couple breaths. Bring it back. Awesome. Bring it back to this position. This time, if it's available, we're gonna lean forward. Elbows right here. Big breaths. If this is not available, redo what you did before. Exhale, lift up. Lift the knee into your chest, lower. Okay, we're gonna do that same series on this leg. Bring it up and lay the foot right here. Hands placed right here, gentle shift the spine on an angle going forward. 3 breaths. Fill your whole body up. Imagine your breathing's like hugging your insides. Shift the spine back, send it into a cross. This hand come on your lower knee. This hand's going around to the chair. Few breaths. Shoulders releasing. Your shoulders are going to want to be up here. Release. And bring it back. Back to lifting up this leg. This time we're going to elbows. Shift, shift. 3 breaths. Only if it's available. If it's not available, do what you did before. Press into the supporting leg. Lift on up. Hug. Awesome! All right, my darlings, we just have a few more moves until we're done. So, we are going to shift our weight a little bit back, so our sit bones are still there, and we're gonna have our hands, if you need to hold your chair, you can, or you can just have them out. We're gonna lift one leg and switch. Exhale, switch. Inhale, switch. So we're switching on the exhale. We inhale, switch, exhale, inhale, switch, exhale, again, switch, exhale, 2 more, switch, exhale, 1 more, switch, exhale, and lower. That's going to really activate your tummy, and if you can't do that many, totally cool. Do what you can do. What we want to avoid is this bend. Pulling up like this. No. So we're going to do it again. I'll face this side so you can kind of see what our spine's doing. Rooting, We inhale, lift. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. See how my spine's nice and long? We're not bending. Exhale, switch. Inhale. Exhale, switch. Now you can have it barely off the floor. Exhale, switch. Tiny ones. 2 more. Exhale, switch. 1 more. Exhale, switch. We're going to conclude with 3 cleansing breaths. In through our nose, out through our mouth. Here we go. Namaste.